Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the US dollar yen, like I said yesterday, we rejected structure, and every single one of these moves is three waves up, three waves down, three waves up, and this is three waves down. So, I think we're forming a WXYXZ pattern, pretty similar to what's going on the dollar index. If that's true, then this should end up playing out as three waves like this, and it probably will end up taking out the high wave Y. And if it really is just a pullback, then eventually it will go down and take out structure, but that's probably at least a week or more away. So to go down to the 1 hour time frame, more than likely we're in the wave A of wave Z right now. We could possibly even be in like the wave 5 right now. So at some point it could turn down for a bigger pullback like that, and then probably a whole nother uptrend like this for a three waves of Z. Like I said, if this is a WXYXZ pattern on the 4 hour to daily time frame, then this should play out in three waves, like an ABC of wave Z. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.